welcome to another episode of Ask Jade. Today I'm going to go over some legal considerations for your online business. Everyone has an online presence these days, and privacy and data collection are big. So if you have an e-commerce business, you're selling some sort of service or product or anything like that online, you are likely then collecting and retaining customers' information. And so then you're responsible to keep that information safe. The EU a few years ago passed their new General Data Protection Regulation, which went into effect in May of 2018. We all saw everybody updating their privacy policies in regards to this. And it applies to any business that collects or stores customer data that operates within the EU. And that applies to still many businesses within the United States because, as we all know, the internet is endless and you're likely going to reach EU customers whether you're targeting them or not. So everyone has been updating their privacy policy. We have to explain to customers how we're using their personal data, how we're storing it, how we're collecting it. And this applies to personal information, which is any information that can be used to identify an individual from their purchase history to their credit card info. And customers have the right to know what data you are collecting, how you're using their data, to see a copy of the data on demand, to have it deleted if they would like on demand, to have their data corrected if it's incorrect. So these are the rights now under this new law. And if you need to update your privacy policy, please reach out to me. I can definitely help you with that. Another thing I'd touch on quickly is online sales tax. So if you are an e-commerce business and you have any type of presence within a state, such as a store, a warehouse, something along those lines, you must collect the sales tax. If you do not have any type of tangible footprint in any state, then you're not required to collect sales tax from that location. And a little trick to that, if you do need to have some sort of presence and you're able, some states don't have sales tax, like Alaska, Delaware, Hawaii, Montana, New Hampshire, Oregon. So you can keep those in mind. And then one other thing that's kind of big on the online legal side of things is what's called COPPA. It's the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. So if you have some sort of children's service or product specifically for children under the age of 13, look into this law. It goes into protecting children under the age of 13, protecting their privacy. So it's something you should be aware of. And I, of course, have more information on that as well. So as always, feel free to reach out to me if you have questions or concerns specifically regarding your business. Thanks. See you next time.